gases and vapors. Gases and vapors are chemicals, okay, not biological hazard. They are called chemical hazard. All types of biological hazard can be filterized by this respirator, okay, whether is it in the form of bacteria, viruses, even welding people who is using it to weld, or even brazing, for example, all the fumes and so on, or exhaust of the lorries and so on. Yes, it can filterize. Not only that, let's say mist, you spray your perfume and so on, all that mist rather than kena you punya diri kan, at least you boleh guna this one. So it protects you against all that, but not gases or vapors, because different type of chemical needs different type of cartridges. For example, there's a ammonia cartridge, there's a formaldehyde cartridge. Now all these cartridges, they attract those chemicals, okay, and turn it into a neutralized salt, okay. However, this kind of particulate respirators only filterize those three items: dust, mist and fumes. So basically, you cakap pasal exhaust lorry and the logistic pun dia boleh, tak ada masalah. Haze lagilah dia boleh. This is the best for haze. Okay, industrial worker yang buat welding semua pun boleh, tak ada masalah. So this is, and the best part of all, they can use it and wash it. This is the best. This is our main selling point, because they can wash it, except for the filters. The filters, they need to just use a disinfectant wipes, wipe all over it, okay, from top to bottom. Shouldn't be a problem. On a gentle wipe, put it inside a ziplock bag. Do not put it with this respirator, because kita takut ada process of recontamination. Okay, bila nak pakai, ambil cartridge, masuk balik. For example, I show you. Now, bila you nak pakai, let's say you dah wash this one and it's dry, right? Can wash, no problem. Wash with any type of soap, as long as there is no high level disinfectant, shouldn't be a problem. Even with alcohol, but not high level of alcohol, you can use it, no problem. Now, when you reuse it back, you just plug in the filters.
What if they wash the filter?
No, they cannot. They cannot. I'm so sorry, sir. It will spoil. Yes, correct. Because under high water velocity, right, automatically it will disintegrate all the filters. So kita tak nak benda tu. And I don't recommend you as such. If I'm a bad guy, I can just lie to you. But I don't do that to my customers. Not only to my customer, because I protect the safety of healthcare workers also in Malaysia. So we practice on that. So you just plug in. After you plug it in, you plug in the harness. And there's a clip. Oops, sorry. Terbalik. Masukkan yang bulat ni dulu. Okay, make sure this one align with this one. Then clip it on the side. Clip it on the side. Just so you know, you can use it even in rain situation. Rain situation pun you still boleh pakai. Sebab dia akan push this one. You see how the ergonomic design is? Will push all the water downside. It won't affect the filters inside.